Hello. What if a single natural ingredient could reduce inflammation, boost your brain, and protect your heart? Discover the incredible benefits of curcumin, the star active ingredient in turmeric. 1. A powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory, as effective as some medications, without the side effects. It helps relieve joint pain and osteoarthritis. 2. Boosts the brain and memory. Need mental clarity? Curcumin stimulates the production of BDNF, a protein essential for memory and concentration. It may even help prevent Alzheimer's. 3. Protects the heart and regulates cholesterol. It reduces bad cholesterol, improves blood circulation, and protects your heart against cardiovascular disease. 4. An ally against aging? How to use it properly. Turmeric powder, capsules, prepared meal, added black pepper. For better absorption, always combine curcumin with black pepper or a source of fat like olive oil. How to use it properly. Turmeric powder, capsules, prepared meal, added black pepper. For better absorption, always combine curcumin with black pepper or a source of fat like olive oil. Try curcumin and feel the difference. And you? Have you ever tried curcumin? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more wellness tips. Like, comment, share.